In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Calendar birthdays with our full 2024 guide. This can be incredibly useful if you find your calendar overwhelmed with birthday reminders that you'd rather not have pop up. So let's dive right in and simplify your calendar experience. First, you'll need to head over to Google Calendar. You can do this quite easily by entering calendar.google.com into your web browser's search bar. A quick tip here is to bookmark this page if you use Google Calendar often to save yourself some time in the future. Now that you're on the main Google Calendar page, proceed to the next step. Once you're on Google Calendar, it's time to find the specific contact whose birthday you want to remove. Go to the panel usually found on the left where you can see a list of your contact birthdays. If you don't see it, ensure that you have enabled the Contacts calendar, otherwise it won't show up. Look carefully through the list until you locate the name of the contact. After locating the contact, the next step is to open their information. To do this, click on the contact's name. It should bring up a new window or a pop-up that displays the contact's details. Here you'll want to look for the Edit option, which is symbolized by a pencil icon. Click this icon to continue editing the contact's details. In the editing window, scroll through until you see the section labeled Birthday. This is where you can manage the birthday details associated with the contact. If you don't see this section immediately, it may be collapsed, so look for an expand button or arrow to reveal it. Once you find the birthday date, simply proceed to remove it by deleting the entry from the field. After you've removed the birthday date, make sure to save the changes. This is crucial. Look for the Save button, which is usually at the top right corner of the editing window. Clicking Save ensures that the changes are applied, so don't forget this step. Once the changes have been saved, return to Google Calendar. Now, this part is essential for the changes to take effect on your calendar view. You'll need to refresh the page or app. You can do this by clicking the refresh icon on your browser or swiping down on a mobile device. Once refreshed, the birthday that was previously visible should be gone, clearing up your calendar. So, there you have it. Your Google Calendar should now be free from the burdensome birthday you decided to remove. Thank you for joining me on this quick guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below.